guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Ford with a 3.5 engine like a Ford Edge, or if you have a Lincoln like an MKX here guys, stay with us and we're going to show you today guys how to remove, or how to replace harmonic balancer. Now, we're going to include the procedure how to remove it guys. If you need to see, replacement, belts removal, all that stuff guys will be on the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this engine guys, in this car. We'll be doing a cylinder head replacement, head gaskets, new timing chains, all that stuff. So all we need is a little compressor guys. That DeWalt, it's amazing because it goes to 165 psi. You can find this one listed in the description of the video below. Next, right here we have the impact, 18mm socket. And now if it doesn't wanna, let me explain it. If it doesn't wanna get loose, what you can do, try to get it on tightened and hit it for a couple of seconds, only 2 seconds, and then start getting it loose again. So let's see if ours will have a hard time coming off now. No, not at all. You can see with that little bitty too, it came out pretty easy. So let's go ahead and see if that harmonic balancer is going to come out, or we have to do anything special like a puller or anything like that, to pull it out. So I'll spray some penetrating spray now right here between the crankshaft and the pulley. Like that. Let it soak for a few minutes and see if it's going to come off, or we'll need to get our puller and start getting that thing out. So we'll get the bolt now guys. We're going to install it on the pulley. Just get it tight a little bit by hand. You probably want to get about 5 revolutions at least. We'll get the puller here, and see if that is heavy duty enough, otherwise we have to find a bigger one. To remove that thing now. So let's go ahead and see how it's going to fit there. And now we need to just get it tight. Let me see this one. It looks like it's a probably 13, 12, let's see what size it is. Perfect. It's staying there now. This one's too big. So most likely, need to find a socket somewhere. 12. Let me see if 12 is too. Yep, it's 13 millimeter. Right there. With a little impact now. Let's see if it's going to take it off. You have to go slowly. It still doesn't come off. It is coming out. A little bit. So now we're going to get it loose, and what we'll do, we'll get the bolt tightened a little bit. Get the bolt loose, actually, my bad. If we get the bolt loose, a couple revolutions, but you have to make sure that you have enough thread screwed in. Otherwise, what's going to happen? You're going to strip the thread on the crankshaft and you're guys in big trouble. So we got a socket actually, with adapter here, and that way, we can place that socket here inside. And we're going to install the puller inside of the socket. Okay, we need to get it a little bit loose. That way we're not going to be scared about the thread, about the bolt, about damaging anything. We'll start getting it tight now. Okay, and let's see now. Came out, guys. Okay, you can see like that. That way it centers itself, okay, and it comes out super nice, okay, and easy. You can see just like that. So that's how you guys remove the crankshaft pulley. You can see, also known as harmonic balancer. So putting it together, guys, we have a video for the torque specs and all that stuff, because we'll be putting a new cylinder head, new timing chain, so all that will be on the channel, guys. So if you need help with anything, just search our content. We'll have a playlist for that footage as well, and you'll be able to find that information there. So thank you for watching, see you guys next time.